Before you have affiliates promoting your products or services, it's really important to have a contract in place to prevent any kind of legal issues or misunderstandings. Plus, having a contract that dictates the affiliate partnership just solidifies the relationship and also builds trust, which is a key ingredient to a successful affiliate partnership. So in this video, we're going to talk about what's an affiliate contract, why it's a must to use with your affiliates, and then I'm also going to share with you 8 important things that you should absolutely include in your affiliate contract to protect yourself and your business. And then as a lawyer, I'm often asked, how do you create an affiliate agreement on your own? So what I've done is I put together a helpful affiliate program template that you can download instantly. And I'm going to show you how to use that template and get done with your affiliate agreement in just 15 minutes. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Amira. I am the business lawyer, blogger, and coach behind aselfguru.com, where I help you make money online and legally protect your business with my affordable legal templates and coaching services. Please don't forget to hit the like button on this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Now let's first talk about what exactly is an affiliate contract. You may have heard of it as an affiliate agreement, affiliate program agreement, affiliate marketing contract, affiliate terms and conditions, operating agreement. There are all these different names for it, but they're essentially like referring to the same thing, which means that it's a legal contract between you, the creator of the affiliate program, and the people that are promoting your products and services, the affiliates. So it's a legal contract between you and your affiliates, and it outlines the terms and conditions of your affiliate program. So this way, both you and your affiliates know exactly what to expect and what are the terms of your program, and you both avoid any kind of legal issues that way. Now, when it comes to using a proper affiliate contract with your affiliates, you need to remember to include at least 8 different things in your affiliate program agreement, if not more. But let's first talk about what are those 8 important things that you should absolutely have in your contract to protect yourself as the creator of the affiliate program. Number 1, your affiliate program registration process, just kind of letting your affiliates know what products they're promoting, where they can get more information about the program, and just like what the registration process looks like. And also letting them know like what's the cookie period. Cookie period is sometimes 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, or even up to a year or more. So you just need to clarify in the agreement that what is that cookie period, meaning how long will the affiliate link work for. Sometimes, you know, if I click on your affiliate link, there's a cookie placed onto my computer for 30 days. That means within that 30-day window, I can still, you can still earn a commission if I go ahead and purchase through your link. But if the 30-day cookie period has passed, then that link will no longer generate the commission. So these are things that you kind of have to spell out in your agreement, so this way your affiliates know exactly what that time period looks like. So the next thing you want to think about is really important, and that is, what does the affiliate commission percentage look like? You need to spell it out in the contract, that how much you're going to pay your affiliates, like what percentage. Are you going to pay them 20%, 30%, 40%, 50% of the sale? You just need to clarify that in the contract. So for example, I pay very generously. I pay 40% to my affiliates for promoting any of my legal templates in my store. And that has allowed me to, make 7 figures, but I also pay like 6 figures in commissions to my affiliates. So, you kind of have to weigh it out and see what works best for your business model. And then you also want to reserve the right to modify the commission. So, when COVID came, a lot of affiliate programs and businesses suffered, and then they lowered the commissions, which was unfortunate for affiliates because a lot of us do really hard work to promote other people's products. But you, at the same time, can never expect how the business is going to generate revenue, right? Like whether things are going to go downhill or uphill. So you do need to reserve the right to be able to modify the terms of your program as needed, and you need to put that all in the contract. Okay, so now let's talk about the third thing that you should absolutely include in your affiliate contract, and this one is everyone's favorite, and that is payment terms. I love paying my affiliates as a creator, but I also love receiving affiliate payments. So you need to let your affiliates know how and when are they going to get paid. As for the how, you need to let them know the method, right? So I highly recommend, and this is a pro tip, that you make your affiliate payments through PayPal, because by doing that, you don't have to issue those 1099 tax forms at the end of the year when it's time to file taxes. Otherwise, you'll end up owing those tax forms and have to worry about having your accountant issue those. But if you use PayPal, then PayPal just kind of handles all of that tax paperwork for you. Now, you also need to let your affiliates know when are they going to get paid, like whether you're going to have some sort of a period in between where payment is on hold. So sometimes people reserve payment and they don't pay until like 30 or 60 days after the transaction has happened, because in case there are any kind of refunds, you need to be able to have that money sitting instead of losing money and paying upfront. But it's totally your affiliate program, so you get to decide how you want to proceed. Some people make payments right away. Some people wait 30 days after to make the payment. Some people wait 60 days. It's totally your call, but you just need to clarify that in the contract. Okay, so the fourth thing that you have to remember to include in your affiliate contract has to do with defining the relationship of the parties. So you're being the program creator and your affiliates are the independent contractors, and you have to spell it out in the contract, so this way there's no confusion as to the status of the parties, and you just don't want any kind of confusion later on, and you want to make it very clear that the affiliates are, as independent contractors, not your employees, are responsible for filing their own taxes and reporting that income on their tax return and so forth. So you just need to do that to limit your legal liability, and this way it's totally clear that what the relationship is for both parties. Before we get to the next legal clause that you should absolutely include in your affiliate contract, if you're liking this video so far, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And I also have a free legal guide for you which shows you how to avoid the common legal mistakes I see entrepreneurs making in their business. So I will link to that free guide in the description of the video, so definitely sign up for it. So let's talk about the fifth thing that you should include in your affiliate contract, and that has to do with your trademark and copyrights. So as the program creator, I'm sure that you're giving people the legal rights to be able to use your product images for promotions, or maybe even your logo and some other promotional materials that you would be sharing with your affiliates, but you need to still reserve the legal rights to have the ownership of all of that material. And you need to clarify in the affiliate program that you're simply giving them a limited license, in other words, legal permission to use those assets, those business assets, whether it's product images, whether it's email swipe copies, or anything else that you're sharing with your affiliates. You're just giving them the limited legal rights to be able to use that content strictly for affiliate marketing purposes only, that they can't just copy and steal it and start using it for any other purpose. So you need to outline all of that in the agreement very clearly. And these are kind of tricky terms that you should honestly not try to write on your own, because you wouldn't know what to write, and you definitely need some lawyer expertise here, someone that is well versed in the legal realm to be able to draft these contracts properly and to make sure that your legal rights are protected. Okay, so the next legal clause that you should include in your affiliate contract, and this one is really, really important, and sometimes people forget about this. Did you know that you could be legally held liable for the legal mistakes of your affiliates? That's why it's so important for you as a program creator to protect yourself and cover your butt. And one of the ways that you do that is to spell out legal compliance and Federal Trade Commission affiliate disclosure requirements in the contract. So under the Federal Trade Commission, you are supposed to give affiliate disclosures anytime that you share affiliate links publicly. So whether you share in an email or blog post or YouTube video, social media, anywhere, you need to give an affiliate disclosure, which I'm sure you may have seen already. It's something like this. This email may contain affiliate links, which means I will earn a small commission and no extra cost to you. Please see full policy here. So something like that is legally required. It's not an optional thing, and you need to make sure that your affiliates are following these legal rules and regulations. Otherwise, you could be held responsible for not putting them on notice and then not running your program legally. So in order to avoid those mistakes and costly fines and issues, you need to spell it out in the contract and put your affiliates on notice, and also give them the responsibility to make sure that they're following the rules and are legally promoting your products and services. Also, if you would like to learn more about affiliate disclosures and disclaimers and the difference between the two, because people often get them confused, then I highly recommend that you watch this video next, because I walk you through a website disclaimer as well as disclosures that you need, and I also give you the website disclaimer template and just a lot more in that video, but it's going to really walk you through everything that you need to know. Okay, so now let's talk about the 7th thing that you should include in your affiliate contract, and that has to do with what happens when someone doesn't follow the rules. I mean, we talked a lot about rules and all these requirements, right? But what happens when someone violates your terms and conditions? Then you want to be able to terminate that affiliate partnership, right? So that's why the next legal clause that you should absolutely include is what's called a termination clause, that gives you the legal right to be able to end the affiliate partnership and not owe them any money. Okay, so the next important legal clause that you shouldn't forget to include in your affiliate contract has to do with the governing law provision. In other words, how and where legal disputes between you and your affiliates will be resolved. So make sure to include that legal provision as well. Now, so far, we've talked about 8 really important legal clauses that you should absolutely include in your affiliate agreement, but there are at least 20 more additional legal provisions that you should have in a properly written affiliate contract that fully protects you as the business owner. So in order to make your life easy, what I've done is I've put together a really helpful, instantly downloadable legal template that you can download and begin using in the next 15 minutes. This is the affiliate agreement that is trusted by thousands of entrepreneurs that I've helped over the years. As you can see, hundreds of love notes on my website, on my YouTube channel, on my Facebook page, and so forth. So this template includes everything that you can think of. It has 25 different legal provisions already built in for you. You simply download the template instantly and fill in some highlighted blanks, as you can see right now, where I walk you through what to input. You input your business information as instructed, and you can start using the template in the next 15 minutes. So the good thing about getting a legal template from a lawyer like me is that you don't have to worry about making legal mistakes. You don't have to waste time trying to write the contract on your own. You don't even have to research anything on Google. And most importantly, you won't be held legally responsible for your affiliates' mistakes. So it's definitely a great legal contract that you can download. I will link it in the description of this video if you would like to check it out. Also, there are a couple of things to note here. Number one, you can download the template individually, which I will link to in the description of the video. Or if you would like to save more money and get the template at a much bigger discount, then you can look into my VIP legal bundle, which includes this particular template as well as 15 other legal templates that you need to run your business legally. It also comes with 16 incredible bonuses. It's definitely a steal and one of my most popular bundles. I will also link to that in the description if you would like to grab that bundle instead, because it gives you all the website legal policies as well as other essential legal contracts that you need to run your business, and you save a lot more money and time with that bundle versus getting the template individually, but it's totally up to you. Now, one last thing to remember about the affiliate agreement is to make sure that you have some sort of an electronic consent from your affiliates, meaning you either get their electronic signature to the agreement or you get them to click to accept the affiliate terms and conditions at the time of signing up for your program. Whatever option that you decide, you just need to have some sort of an electronic acceptance and consent from your affiliates in order to bind them. Now, before you go, do you have an affiliate program of your own? I would love to check it out. So please comment below and let me know if you have an affiliate program and share the link. And if this video helped you in any way, please don't forget to like it and hit that subscribe button so I can create more helpful videos for you. Thank you so much for your love and support. All the helpful links will be in the description of the video, and I will see you next time.